Graduation is coming. So what's next? How about college debt? There's a better way forward. It's called apprenticeship. Get the skills you need for the career you want. Robotics, advanced manufacturing, and information technology. Apprenticeship isn't an internship, grunt work, or a backup plan. It's real training for a real career. Get paid as you earn your degree. Not everyone will choose this path, but you're not everyone. Where will apprenticeship take you? Forge ahead and learn how you can turn your interest into a rewarding career. Explore your opportunities today.